Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are giving context and background to the transformation of knowledge worker services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. This is a quick summary of some of the expected trends and business impacts in knowledge worker services, their automation, and the provision of knowledge worker services from the... As we all know, there is a core platform that underpins the operation of businesses and society. The internet, mobile computing, cloud computing, social media, big data, cloud-based services, and the Internet of Things are all converging to form this core platform. Real-time decision-making, machine learning, and artificial intelligence are all becoming part of this core platform of which businesses and societies operate. At the moment, a lot of these services from this platform are things like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, database as a service, software as a service. As we move forward, more and more knowledge worker services, as well as the underlying ICT infrastructure, are coming or will be provided from the cloud. So your traditional knowledge worker services like tax as a service, audit as a service, project management as a service, legal, those services are going to be provided out of the cloud with the automation. Those services will include servers, load balancers, firewalls, databases, database management, applications, information, governance, frameworks, best practice, management, reporting, skilling, training, and even resourcing. And the services are provided, integrated into business operations, much of it on demand, funded out of operational expenditures instead of establishing them through capital expenditures. So one of the big trends that we're starting to see is the provision of knowledge worker services out of the cloud. At the moment, knowledge workers use applications to access information, to deliver products and services. As we go forward, the knowledge worker roles and the knowledge worker services are moving away from the use of applications to the direct consumption of information. The business, ICT operations and services are becoming more and more information centric. It's more and more about managing the supply, the continuity, the quality of information. This is particularly true with machines, working with machines, going through the data, using algorithms, artificial intelligence, machine learning, real-time decision making. The machines not only undertake the knowledge worker roles, but they also provide the value-added products and services for use by higher value-adding knowledge worker services. So this is just some of the changes that we are likely to see. Some other key changes in knowledge worker services are less people involved in running the business. Why? Because they've been automated. But more people involved in change the business. This is in the adoption of the technology, the transformation, the new services, the new products, the new offering. To make that transition, we not only have to train people in how to do the roles, how to use the technology, but much more importantly, it is the skilling so that they have the ability to do the job. You just cannot take a coal miner and turn them into a programmer. It's not because they're not motivated. Many of them are. Many of them want to better themselves, better their opportunities for the families. And yes, they can be trained, but unless the skilling is there to change the ability to do a role, the transformation is not going to be successful. One of the key ones is the increasing demand for professional skills. Part of the skilling is development of the capacities and capabilities for adaptiveness, responsiveness, and resilience. ICT operations and service is going to be transformed. Business is going to be transformed. New service models, new revenue models, and there's going to be changes in the demand and use of generalists and specialists. For those in the room, we will talk about this further. For those on the video, this is just a quick, short, sharp introduction, and please feel free to enjoy some of the other videos. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.